Good morning, student. We have started a chapter number 3, pair of linear equation in two variables, and we have discussed, we are introduced the pair of linear equation. We know that what is a linear equation. If the exponent of variable in the given equation is 1, so we can say that the given equation are linear equation. Here we are going to take the pair of linear equation, and these linear equation are in two variables. So now we have also discussed the graphical representation of these linear equations. Now we want to find the solution of this given linear equation by the graphical method. So in this lecture we are going to discuss the topic graphical method of solution of a pair of linear equations. So graphical method of solution of a pair of linear equations we have discussed. Let us consider the general form of pair of linear equation in two variables x and y is given by, as we know that if there are two linear equation then it is type of a1, the first equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. These are two linear equations in two variables x and y, and hence a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 are all real numbers, and the condition that is always satisfied a1 square plus b1 square does not equal to 0, and a2 square plus b2 square does not equal to 0 means a1 and b1 both are not 0 at a time, and a2 and b2 are not both 0 at a time. So here two equation. Now we want to say, or we want to find the solution of given two linear equation. If given two linear equation have any solution or not, or one solution or more than one solution. So we know that the given equation are the equation of line. So we can find three possibility of the given for the given pair. First one that we have already discussed, it may be intersect at one point, it may be parallel to each other, or it may be coincide, means it lies on each other. So there are three possibility or three solution for the given two equation. So we have already discussed, you have already studied in class 9 that given the two lines in plane, only one of the following three possibility can be happen. So we can find the solution by graphical method. First, what is the possibility that the two lines will intersect at one point? We know that if you draw a line, then it may intersect at only one point, as here, as you can see. And then we can say that the intersecting point of both line is a solution. The coordinate of this point is the solution of the of these two equation. This is the first possibility, means here given one point, means this type of condition it contains only one solution. How many solution? Only one solution. Next possibility for the solution of linear equations, two lines will not intersect, that is they are parallel, as given here. If we draw the chart of graph of both the line, then we get such type of line, and we know that this line never intersect at any point, so it has no solution. We cannot find solution of this type of lines, equations. And third possibility is that the two lines will be coincides, means it lies on each other, and here you know that both line intersects every point of each line, so it has infinite solution. This type of, if we find this type of graph, then we can say that this two equation has infinite solutions. So there are three possibilities that we can find from graphical method. First, if two lines intersects at one point, then it has one and only one solution. If two lines are not will not intersect, means they are parallel, then it has no solution. And if two lines will be coincident, then the given solution has infinite, the given equation has infinite solution. So by these three method, graphical method, we can find the solution of given two linear equations. If you want to say directly, not by a graph, if you want to say directly, how can we say that the given two equation has one solution, no solution, or infinite solution? So we are going to discuss is here. Let us now go back to take pair of linear equation formed in example number 1, example 2, example number 3 are note down what kind of pair they are geometrically. हमने जो एग्जाम्पल नंबर, जो फर्स्ट लेक्चर में एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1, एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2 और एग्जाम्पल नंबर 3 है वो देखे थे, उसके ग्राफ भी हमने ड्रॉ किए थे. तो जो इक्वेशन है यहाँ पे दिए गए हैं, पहला वाला इक्वेशन है x माइनस 2y जो इज इक्वल टू 0 एंड 3x प्लस 4y इज इक्वल टू माइनस 20 इज इक्वल टू 0. And we know that we have drawn the graph of both the line and we find the intersecting point of this line. The lines intersect, means this both equation has one solution. Both equation has have one solution. 2x plus 3y minus 9, 4x plus 6y minus 9. The lines coincide, means this equation, this both equation have the infinite solution because both lines are coincide. And third equation, x plus 2y minus 4 and 2x plus 4 minus 12 is equal to 0. The lines are parallel as we seen in example number 3. So if the lines are parallel, then it has no solution. Both has no solution. So we can solve such example. If a pair of linear equation which has no solution, a pair of linear equations means one of these pair, a pair of linear equation which has no solution, where this in this condition, in this example number 3, the lines were parallel, no solution, is called an inconsistent pair. What we said? Inconsistent pair. If the two linear equation has no solution, then we call it inconsistent pair of linear equation. This is one definition that we say that if we solve or draw graph and we find that both line are parallel, then we can say that the given equation has no solution, and these are called inconsistent pair of linear equation. A pair of linear equation in two variables which has a solution is called a consistent pair of linear equation. उसे क्या कहेंगे? कंसिस्टेंट ऑफ पेयर इक्वेशन. यहाँ पे आप जो कोइंसाइड और इंटरसेक्ट जो दो लाइन होती है, इन दोनों इक्वेशन को, दोनों एग्जाम्पल को आप क्या कह सकते हैं? द कंसिस्टेंट पेयर ऑफ लिनियर इक्वेशन. A pair of linear equation which are equivalent has infinite many distinct common solutions, that is that are coincide, lines coincide. Such pair is called a dependent pair of linear equation in two variables. So we said that this type of pair of equation is known as dependent pair of linear equation. So three type of pair of equation we know, we remember that first one inconsistent means a pair of linear equation has no solution, then we say that inconsistent. If has solution, then we can say consistent, and the both equation are equal. So and equal, then we can say that it is called a dependent pair of linear equation. And not that the dependent pair of linear equation is always consistent, because it has solution, and as a solution then it is called consistent pair of linear equation. So here we remember that. Now we can now summarize the behavior of lines representing a pair of linear equation in two variables and the existence of solution as follows. तो लास्ट में हमें जो थ्री पॉसिबिलिटी है वो यहाँ पे हम निकालेंगे. कौन सी? लाइन्स में इंटरसेक्ट. पहला क्या? लाइन्स में इंटरसेक्ट इन अ सिंगल पॉइंट. इन दिस केस the pair of equation has a unique solution. Unique means one and only one solution. उसके पास एक और मात्र एक ही solution होगा, and it is known as consistent pair of equations, linear equations. Next possibility, the lines may be parallel. Lines may be parallel. In this case, the equation have no solution. Equation have no solution. Then these are known as inconsistent pair of equation. The lines may be coincident. The lines may be coincident means it lies on each other. In this case, the equation has infinite many solution. Infinite many solution. So dependent, it is known as dependent pair of equation, and also known as consistent pair of equations. So now how can we say that by directly the behavior of the given equation with help of the coefficient of given linear equations. Let us now write down and compare the volume of values of A1, A2. A1 is a coefficient of first linear equation, and A2 is a second linear equation. Now we take the ratio A1, A2, B1, B2 and C1, C2, and we compare this ratio with each other. Then we can say in all the three examples, here A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2 denote the coefficient of equation given in the general form in section 3.2, as we have already started. So now we can find the behavior of this given equation by comparing the ratio of A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. So we get such type of table. Three possibility can be observed by the comparing the value of A1, A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. First example, x माइनस 2y इक्वल टू 0 અને 3x प्लस 4y माइनस 20 इज इक्वल टू 0। यहाँ पे a1 और a2 का रेशियो क्या है, x के आगे 1 है और x के आगे 3 है, तो इसका रेशियो क्या होगा 1/3। b1 b2, b1 कितना है यहाँ पे -2 और b2 कितना है 4, दैट इज -2/4 and c1 by c2, that is c1 here 0 and c2 is -20, so 0 by -20. Here you can see that a1 by a2 does not equal to b1 by b2. First we check that a1 by a2 does not equal to b1 by b2. If the ratio, both the ratio are not equal, a1 by a2 is does not equal to b1 by b2, then graphically represent, if we represent these both equation on with graphical method, then we can find intersecting lines, means we can find one intersecting point for this type of equation. If a1 by a2 does not equal to b1 by b2, then we can say that the two lines intersect at one point, and algebraic interpretation that we can set exactly one solution, unique solution, one and only one solution. The both equation has one and only one solution. Next possibility, 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 18 equal to 0. a1 by a2, that is 2 by 4, b1 by b2, that is 3 by 6, and c1 by c2, that is -9 by -18. Here you can see that 2 by 4 and 3 by 6 and -9 by -18, these three ratio are equals to each other. If we do 2 2s are, that is 1 by 2, 3 2s are, that is 1 by 2, minus minus will be cancelled, 9 2s are, that is 1 by 2, means a1 by a2, that is 1 by 2, b1 by b2, that is 1 by 2, and c1 by c2, that is 1 by 2, means the given three ratio are equal, given three ratio are equal, so we can say that the graphical representation is, if we draw both the line, then the line will be coincident lines, then the line will be coincident line, means it lies on each other. And the solution, how many solution there will be? If the line are coincident line, then the solution of given two equation are infinitely many solution. And third possibility, that x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. a1 by a2, that is 1 by 2, b1 by b2, that is यहाँ पे 1 by 2, and c1 by c2, minus minus will be cancel, 1 by 3. Here you can see that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but does not equal to c1 by c2. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but c1 by c2 does not equal to c2. Then we can say that the graphical representation of these two equations will be parallel lines, means the two lines will never intersect, then it has no solution. So these are three possibility by comparing the ratio a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. So we note this table and remember this table to solve some short questions. Three possibility, we have to remember that if the ratio of a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, the first condition that a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 is not equal, then the graph representation क्या होगा उसका, इट हैज़ इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइन्स एंड उसके कितना है तो कि वन सॉल्यूशन उसका मिलेगा, ओनली एंड वन एंड ओनली वन सॉल्यूशन। अगर ग्राफिकल इस तरह का दो इक्वेशन सेकंड पॉसिबिलिटी है कि a1/a2 b1/b2 and c1/c2 आर इक्वल, then both lines are coincident lines, then it has infinite many solution. And if the ratio of a1/a2 and b1/b2 are equal but it does not equal to c1/c2, then the lines are parallel and it has no solution because they will never intersect to each other. So now let we take some example. From the table above, you can observe that if the lines represented by equation, first line a1 x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, then are intersecting, then इंटरसेक्शन होगा उसका, अगर दोनों लाइनें इंटरसेक्ट करती है तो मीन्स के जो दोनों लाइन है वो इंटरसेक्ट होगी, उसका एक इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट मिलेगा। तो उसकी कंडीशन क्या है, a1/a2 डज नॉट इक्वल टू b1/b2, फर्स्ट कंडीशन है उसकी a1/a2 डज नॉट इक्वल टू b1/b2। ये जो दोनों इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट हो, इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइन्स होगी तो उसका सॉल्यूशन कितना मिलेगा, वन सॉल्यूशन। कोइंसिडेंस मीन्स a1/a2 b1/b2 मिले तो दोनों एक दूसरे पे लाइस होती है, तो इसके कितने तो कि इनफाइनाइट, कितने सॉल्यूशन, इनफाइनाइट सॉल्यूशन मिलेंगे। एंड पैरेलल मीन्स इस तरह की पैरेलल लाइन होगी तो a1/a2 और b1/b2 दोनों रेशियो एक जैसे होंगे, लेकिन उसका c1/c2 डज नॉट इक्वल टू c1/c2 होगा, तो इनके सॉल्यूशन नहीं मिल सकते क्योंकि ये दोनों कहीं भी इंटरसेक्ट नहीं होंगे। In fact, the observation is also true for any pair of lines. You can verify them by considering some more example by yourself. So, let us solve some example. Example number 4. Check graphically whether the pair of equation x plus 3y equal to 6, that is equation number 1, and 2x minus 3y is equal to 12 is consistent. If so, solve them graphically. कंसिस्टेंट मीन्स दोनों इंटरसेक्ट होगी तो उसका वन सॉल्यूशन मिलेगा, मीन्स उसकी सॉल्यूशन मिलेगा, और सॉल्यूशन मिलता है तो उसको कंसिस्टेंट हम कह सकते हैं। सो नाउ फर्स्ट वी टेक द सॉल्यूशन, वी वांट टू ड्रॉ इट ग्राफिकली। लेट अस ड्रॉ द ग्राफ ऑफ इक्वेशन 1 and 2. फॉर दिस वी फाइंड द टू सॉल्यूशन ऑफ ईच ऑफ द इक्वेशन विच इज गिवन एज वी हैव done in first lecture. We want to put the value of x, so we have to make subject as y, then we get for first equation x and y is equal to 6 minus x by 3. If we put 0 then we get 2, and we put 6 then we get 0. For next linear equation 2x, so we have to put y as a subject, then we get x and y is equal to 2x minus 12 by 3. If we put x is equal to 0 then we get minus 4, and if we put 3 then we get minus 2. Now we have coordinates p, a and b and p and q of both the line. Then we can draw the graph. So we draw the graph as given here. 0, first line x plus 3y is equal to 6, a 0, 2 and b 6, 0. Then we draw line as given here, and we draw the line p 0, minus 4 and q 3, minus 2, and we draw the line from passing through these both point, and then you can see that both line are intersecting on the point b 6, 0. 6 is a x and 0 is a y. Plot the point a 0, 2, b 6, 0, p 0, minus 4, q 3, minus 2 on graph paper, and join the points to form the line AB and PQ as shown in figure. we observe that there is a point B 6, 0 common to both the lines AB and PQ. Means the intersecting point lies on both the line. So the solution of pair of equation x is equal to 6, as you know that, and y is equal to 0. Here 6 is x and y is equal to 0. The given pair of equation is consistent. Means it has solution, so the pair of equation is consistent. Next example. Example number 6. Champa went to a sale to purchase some pants and skirts. When her friend asked her how many of each the had bought, she answered, the number of skirt is less than twice the number of pants purchased. तो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन हम किस तरह से मिला सकते हैं? तो उसने कहा, चलो हम मान लेते हैं कि नंबर ऑफ स्कर्ट्स इज एक्स, नंबर ऑफ स्कर्ट्स इज एक्स एंड द नंबर ऑफ पेंट्स इज वाई. शी सेड द नंबर ऑफ एक्स is too less than, means too less than twice the number of pants. Do you get that? The number of skirts is too less than, means minus 2, then twice of the number of the pants, and y is number of pants, so we put equivalent sign equal to, so we get first equation x minus 2y is equal to minus 2. This is the first equation that is required. Now again we go ahead. Also the number of skirts is 4 times of number of pants. The number of skirts is 4 times number of pants. So again we get one more equation. So here we find two equation. X is equal to 2y minus 2 and x is equal to 4y minus 4. Help her friend to find how many pants and skirts Champa bought. So we have to find the solution of given two equations. Solution: let us denote the number of pants by x and the number of skirts by y. Also you can take alternately. Then the equations formed are the number of skirts is 2 less than the number of twice of number of pants, that is first. The number of skirts is 4 less than the 4 times of number of pants. So we get equation number 2. Now let me draw the graph of given both equation. First for first equation x and y also given here. First we put x as 2, then we get 2, and we put 0, then we get minus 2. X is equal to 0 for next equation, then we get y is equal to minus 4, and we put x is equal to 1, then we get 0. Now let me draw the graph of two lines. Then we get here first line 2, 2, first point of first line 2, 2, that is A, 2 comma 2 here intersecting point. Next one 0 comma minus 2 will be here B, 0 comma minus 2, and we draw line passing through A and B. Y is equal to 2x minus 2, and about this line P 0 comma minus 4 will be here. 0 is the coordinate of x and minus 4 is coordinate of y. So here P and 1 comma 0, that is Q here, and we draw line passing through the line points P and Q. Then we draw here, we get the line y is equal to 4x minus 4. So here you can see that here one intersecting point from where the both line are passing. Q is Q 1 comma 0. It is a common point, or this point lies on both the lines, and it is a solution of the given both linear equation. So both linear equation are consistent. So by this way you can solve some example from exercise number 3.2. Solve example number 2 and 3. The given two examples, you have to say the given examples, the given equation are consistent or inconsistent. Means you can say it by comparing the ratio from the table, and also by drawing the graph. If both lines intersect at one point, then you can say that the given linear equation are consistent, and if both are parallel, then you can say that it is inconsistent, and if both are lies on each other, then you can say that it is a dependent or consistent line. So solve the example number 2 and 3, and if you find any doubt, then you can discuss it with me.